Hey everyone, how's it going? Mason here from Canon USA, and in this video, I'm gonna help you get started creating your first vlog. Yes, I nailed it. Roll the intro, wow. How's it going everyone? Thanks for tuning in to our Learn with Canon series, and I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about starting a vlog using a Canon camera. What's a vlog? A vlog is a video blog. A vlog can come in many forms, but normally they are found on a vlogger's website or their social media channel. Vlogs range in length and can cover a variety of topics from current events, news, sports, cooking, beauty, technology, photography, or almost anything else that you can think of. Some of the most popular vloggers post daily updates, while others may post less, and some even more, sharing every part of their lives. Some vlogs are recorded in just one take, while others prefer to record multiple video clips that they then edit into their final polished video. What do I need to start my own vlog? Well, first thing you will need is a topic that you are passionate about, that you want to share with others. It is also important to consider what audience you are looking to reach. It might help to create an outline of your talking points to stay on track. Now you need a way to record your vlog. I recommend a Canon EOS M50. It's a great camera, and my favorite features are the dual pixel CMOS autofocus and the eye detection autofocus. This really helps when I'm recording by myself. Next step is to decide where you will share your vlog. There are multiple options for sharing your content, including your website, your social media accounts, your YouTube channel, and many more. You don't need to limit yourself to just one platform if your goal is to reach as many people as possible. Try a bunch of different outlets. High-quality videos provide a better and more satisfying experience for your viewers and will make them want to see more of what you can do. We recommend using accessories like lights, microphones, and tripods in addition to your Canon camera for amazing results. The EOS M50 has a mic in, which allows you to plug in an external microphone to record great audio. Canon even offers a few different video creator kits. One of them is with the EOS M50 that bundle cool accessories with the camera to help you create vlogs that not only look great, but sound great too. Before you record your first vlog, I suggest spending some time getting familiar with your camera. Make sure you test all settings and features, and make a few test videos. A few important camera features to familiarize yourself with are vari-angle LCD, autofocus eye detect, video settings, and exposure modes. Now that you're comfortable with your camera, think about where you want to record your shoot. Make sure the background and the environment are ready to go. Will you use a tripod? Or will you go for a more action-packed handheld setup? What lenses will you use to get the effects that you're looking for? Are your batteries charged? Will you use an external microphone or recorder for audio? There are many choices, so I suggest testing different setups before finding what works best for your creative vision. Now that you're set with your gear, you're ready to start vlogging. Thanks again for checking out this video. For more tips on vlogging, please subscribe to Canon USA's YouTube channel. And if there's anything else that you'd like to learn from us, cameras, printers, lenses, tips and tricks, go ahead and leave a comment down below and we'll do our best to get back to you. Thanks again for tuning in. I can't wait to check out all the vlogs that you create. For Canon USA, I'm Mason. See you next time. Bye-bye.